Hi, I'm Tiffany with Headcovers.com, and today I'm going to show you how to turn your padded Carol headscarf into a face mask. You can use this method with either our padded Carol headscarf or our instant tie, and they come in a variety of different prints and solids. Our padded Carol comes in a triangle shape with pre-gathered sides. It does already have padding built into the front to offer extra protection. To start the look, you're going to take the padded side facing you, and you'll just begin to fold it down to the tip of the triangle. Once you have it all folded, you'll simply just place it on your face, and you'll tie it in the back into a square knot. And then you can adjust it over the nose and mouth to get full coverage. If you want more protection, you could always add a filter of your choice, and you can just insert it when you're folding the scarf. If you want the scarf more secure around your nose, you can also take just a normal pipe cleaner and insert that to where it would be at the top as well. You'll put it on the same way by tying a square knot in the back, and then form the pipe cleaner around the nose and adjust it as needed. And that's how to take any padded Carol or instant tie headscarf and turn it into a face mask. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.